Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify your account or maybe to have or how to have a business account on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the video. So here I would like to go and open my or launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. Here, wait, I'm just here at my profile, I guess, because last time I was there. So anyway, if I want to verify my business account, of course, if you, after opening first of all your Facebook application, you'll find yourself here, which is actually your home or main screen on Facebook. Here you'll find just the posts of your or the posts of your friends, the posts of the pages or the groups that you follow, like maybe even the post that you're interested on, and just some other posts of ads sponsored. So of course, if you want to verify your account on Facebook, all you need to do, just go and click at the three lines at the top right corner. Here, of course, if you scroll down, you can just go to your settings by clicking here at the settings and privacy, then hit the settings option, or you can just go and click at your settings icon at the top right corner. So here, after actually navigating into your settings, all you need to do here, of course, you would like to go and click at password and security, and of course you would like to check your important security settings, so of course you don't get hacked or anything. As you can see, all here should be with the green, this check mark. Make sure to make them all of them with the check mark, then go back here, scroll down a bit here, and if you find here how to add any other information, that's good. If you didn't, just go back, scroll down a bit until you find this profile information. Here, if you want to actually verify your account, all you need to do, just add whatever here. Add work experience, add college, add high school, add current city, add hometown, add other name, add everything you can add here, and of course that will actually get you verified, or that will actually verify or get you a business account on Facebook. So that's how you actually do that. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.